In the very beginning, it all starts with a single moment. One sperm, out of millions, fertilizes an egg. This is day one, the spark of life. Two cells merge, forming a tiny zygote, a blueprint for a brand new human being. Within hours, the zygote begins to divide. Two cells, then four, then eight. It continues to grow as it travels through the fallopian tube toward the safety of the uterus. By the end of the first week, this ball of cells, now called a blastocyst, reaches its destination, the uterus. Here, it finds a home and implants itself into the nourishing lining. The journey has only just begun. At 4 weeks, the cells rapidly transform. The embryo begins to develop a neural tube, the foundation for the brain and spine. The placenta, the lifeline between mother and baby, starts to form, ensuring the baby receives nutrients and oxygen. At this stage, the heart starts to beat, a rhythm that will accompany the baby for the rest of its life. By 8 weeks, the baby is still small, but growing rapidly. Limb buds appear, and the beginnings of eyes and ears can be seen. This is when the embryo becomes a fetus, no longer just a cluster of cells, but a developing human. At 3 months, the baby's organs continue to develop, and it's even possible to determine whether it's a boy or a girl. This is the start of the second trimester, a period of major growth. At 5 months, the baby can start to hear. The mother's heartbeat, the soft murmur of her voice, even external sounds. These all begin to shape the baby's experience. This is a time of sensory development when the world becomes more than just a quiet existence. By 7 months, the baby is growing stronger. Muscles, bones, and lungs continue to develop, preparing for life outside the womb. The baby practices breathing, even though it won't take its first breath until the moment of birth. At 9 months, the journey is complete. The baby is fully developed, ready for the outside world, in a short time.